Christina and her character, Scianel, take me into the kitchen to make coffee. And we thought we'd have some fun. We had some white chocolate and some bittersweet chocolate that we just melted. I mean, she has the look of a mafia boss. And I say, so Scianel, can I put some pepperoncino? Can I put some chili in the chocolate? And she's like, mi piace. Posso, Scianel, posso?
Papà.
And then with chopsticks, we just dipped the coffee bean into the white chocolate and into the dark chocolate. No, tutto.
Wow, fantastico.
It's always important to take care of the boss. Dai, amore, dai.
Sei sicuro?
Dai.
Grazie, voglio.
Sono roba buona.
Non possiamo bere.
Then Christina makes me the espresso coffee with cremina.
E sto caffè profuma troppo bene.
It's really simple, you know, she makes it old school, you know, with the mocha. The water has to be just perfect. You don't want to overfill it with water. And then she adds in the coffee grounds. And then right on the stove. Christina shows me how she makes her cremina, a sugar cream for the espresso. Now to make cremina, it's really simple. You want to put just sugar in a cup, and then the first couple of drops of coffee get continually stirred into the sugar until it turns an almond brown.
And the paradise. Bello, eh? Voglio. Com'è sto caffè? Ti piace?
E che cazzo?
Bravo. È risposta a home.
Asciuga la vita come smoke. La rete si scarpi anche noi.